Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today we will be learning Arabic language to understand the Quran. You will learn Arabic language in the most simplest way to learn Quran. These courses are for people who want to learn Quran in its own language, that is Arabic. Inshallah, with this short course everyone can learn Arabic grammar and understand the Holy Quran. Arabic language is considered to be one of the most difficult languages to learn. Therefore, we will teach it as easily as possible so that everyone can understand. What you have to do, you just have to learn these topics and practice them consistently. Practice everything we teach you. First 10 lectures are of Arabic grammar. Next 6 lectures are of Arabic vocabulary. Then comes translation and Tafseer of Quranic Verses for you to learn, practice and remember. Note that all of these 3 are important, so don't miss any lecture. The Arabic grammar taught here is enough to understand the Holy Quran. Let's start off with our first lecture. Today we will learn verbs, past tenses and passive voices. Verbs. Some examples of simple verbs are
ضرب,
which means to beat someone or to strike someone. Remember this word as we will be using this word mostly in our examples.
سجدة,
Which means to prostrate before something.
خلق,
Which means to create something. These are some examples of verbs, these are not all of them. We will learn other verbs in our Arabic vocabulary courses. Past tenses for words in the shape of
فعل.
If a 3 letters word only contains zabr, then it means it is a male doing something in the past. For example,
ضرب,
he beat,
خلق,
he created,
وجد,
he founded,
نصر,
he helped,
فتح.
he opened. Sometimes a 3 letters word may also contain 2 zabr and 1 zer. However, the word remains a past tense. For example,
سمع,
he listened,
حسب,
he thought,
حمد,
he praised or he appreciated,
شرب,
he drank,
مرض.
he was sick. Sometimes a 3 letters word may also contain 2 zabr and 1 pesh. This type of verb is mostly used when referring to someone. However, the word remains a past tense. For example,
رمى,
he became well respected,
قبح,
he became bad. Passive voice
ضرب,
is used to define an action a person did in the past. What if the action happened to him in the past? For that, we just follow 2 rules. Rule 1, add a pesh on the first letter of the word, and Rule 2, if second letter contains a zabr then make it zir, or if it contains a zir then make it zabr. For example,
ضرب,
he was killed,
خلق.
he was created. Only in this case Rule 2 is not applied. Congratulations! You have completed your first lecture. Revise thoroughly what we have taught you above. These are not all the words in the Quran. These are a few words we have chosen as an example so that you can have a know how they are used. Other words are taught in our Arabic vocabulary lectures. You can make notes if you like, however you can also access notes from our website. Search for Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge and click on the first link or click on the link in the description. We will be uploading 1 lecture on every day in Ramadan. Our mission is to teach you Arabic before Ramadan ends so that you are able to understand it. As mentioned before, we have kept these lectures as simple as possible so those who don't know anything can also learn in a short time. We haven't gone in any depth of the Arabic grammar since it will only confuse you now. These courses target the understanding of Quran. If you want to learn entire Arabic, you can also learn that. With that, see you in our next lectures. Till then, like, share and subscribe so you don't miss any lecture video. Also share to others as sadqa jariyah.